beses na kitang nilayasan, iniwanan ng ibang pinuntahan. Parang babaeng mahirap talagang kalimutan. Isa pa lang ang aking binabalikan. Manila, Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets of San Francisco, tried to ride in Disneyland. Date on a million girls in Sydney, but I somehow feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong kaisarap sa tenga, mga jeepney mong nagliliparan, mga babae mong nagagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let go. Promise me you'll never let go. Manila, Manila, I miss you like hello, Manila. No place in the world like Manila. I'm coming home to
Welcome to another brand new episode ng inyong Sports 360. Siyempre kasama ang inyong Sunday Barkada. And of course, joining us today, Kayla!
Yeah!
We have a lot of things in store for you guys today, pero syempre, nagsisimula tayo sa ating Game Stories!
Game Stories! Ano
Pasok! Pasok!
Game Stories of the week. We start off with Monday.
Andre Drummond with the Beast 2020 in 3 straight games.
At nung Monday din po, nagsimula na ang pag-ensayo ng Gilas 4.0 without RDO.
Yun nga lang. Prayer still for RDO. Cagayan and Kama Motors parehong panalo in their games in the PCBL.
Photon and Philips Gold, nagsipagpanalo. Sila rin po ang pasok sa semis ng PSL.
From there, we move on into Wednesday, where it was a rare penalty of UP Fighting Maroons for a misprint on the jersey.
At TNT SMB, wagi sa kanilang mga laban against Meralco and Blackwater Elite.
At syempre, magpapahuli ba ang mga women's division natin? Hindi. TNT SMB panalo rin sa women's 3x3.
Sa NBA naman, sorry by Boogie DeMarcus Cousins. Nagsorry kay George Karl after their loss against them.
Solo numero 1 na ngayon ang Philips Gold as they defeat Signal HD.
And 30 Years of Alaska Celebrated recognizes also the 30 greatest players of the franchise.
Late game heartbreak para sa Azkals as they fall 1-0 against Yemen.
Mahindra nakakuha na po ng panalo. Thank you to Kyle Pascual. Tinalo po nila ang NLEX Road Warriors.
Stand the man as Stanley Pringle comes up with a game winner against the Rainer Shiny Lasto Painters.
A little bit of a disappointment, a low-impact debut for Ray Ray Pars, but we still love you.
Yes, PSL results na naman as Philips Gold and Signal, Petron Blaze and Meralco both win.
And NU still alive after defeating FEU, locked into the second seat with Ateneo Blue Eagles.
The best point guard in Asia, syempre, helping his team win in Lucena. At yan po ang inyong game stories for the week. And we head on into the results a while ago. Barako Bull Energy, wagi po kontra sa Meralco Bolts in a nail-biter despite 40 points coming from Gary David. And that was 108 to 106. Our second game results saw the San Miguel Pyramid winning 100 to 82 against Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Kanina umaga din po si Ronda Rousey with a big upset loss to home, and it was a fantastic fight. Maraming nagtaka kung ano nga ba nangyari.
Yan po ang nangyari.
Yes.
Nasipa siya sa mukha.
Natadyakan.
Actually, sa kanyang leeg, on the right side of her neck rather. Ayan nga po, Holly Holm
was
got the knockout against Ronda Rousey.
Napanood ko yung laban na yan. Napakaganda ng game plan ni Holly Holm. Came in, took the first round. Being a counter-puncher and a counter-fighter, was able to veer away dun sa mga kalakasan nga nitong si Ronda Rousey. So finally, a blemish dun sa record ni Rowdy Rousey. Pick of the week naman po tayo. Gilas 4.0 naman ang mga ating papag-usapan. The best pool
By far.
ever assembled with a Gilas Pilipinas name towards it has finally been put together at nag-practice na po sila. Thank you, Lord!
Thank you so much, Lord! And ito lang, of course, as we thank the Lord, we also ask Him to protect our
Yes.
DO. Dahil siya lang nga po ang kulang sa pool na ito. But like what you've said, this is really by far the best pool that we've had. Akala natin, hindi na malalagpasan ng 2.0, but here we are with the 4.0.
Full force indeed. Tignan nga po natin yung mga pangalan ng players na kasama ngayon. Of course, Calvin Abueva, Gabe Norwood, Jason Castro, RDO, MGR, Mark Pingers, Terrence Romeo, Junmar Fajardo, Marshall Lassiter will be joining the rest of this lineup. A great, great lineup na ang daming pwedeng mga different tactics, kumbaga.
Yes.
Mga ibang combinations to come up with those 12 men. that
Alam
will
mo,
make the final
the
roster.
very good thing that is evident in this composition of our Gilas team is the fact that it's a combination of the veterans and the young
Yes.
ones. And both ends of the age spectrum, they are very talented, they are very skilled. And you just know that talagang they've carried on that puso vibe. Kaya naman kahit pagod sila sa practices nila sa PBA, they've continued on practicing together for the qualifiers.
And those practices happen actually every Monday, where despite na pwedeng sana may rest period nga tong pool natin, they will be coming together. They had their first practice and apparently it was a great practice. Everyone was already in a good mood. They know the goal na kailangan natin manalo dun sa qualifiers, and they know that there are sacrifices that need to be made. And you know, whether you're Terrence Romeo that has been there in the last on the last team, or you're Jason Castro that has been there the entire time, lahat sila, pare-parehas naman yung sacrifice.
And the very exciting part of this is that
Yan.
Greg Zilla is back together with Japeth Aguilar,
Junmar is
Junmar
there.
Fajardo, the bigs that will really make that difference. Of course, when we speak of the Olympics, we speak international level, and we need international hype, Aaron.
Yes, and that's what Greg and Junmar give us. Nakita mo naman, it's so nice to see Greg Zilla back in that Gilas Pilipinas jersey. At imagine mo sa practice nila, kung silang dalawa ni Junmar magbabanggaan, magkakasahan yung dalawa niyan. And then when you have Andre Blatch back with the team, sana for the qualifiers, this is definitely, and maybe, nagdadasal pa rin tayo, Jordan Clarkson, malay natin.
Makasama rin.
Makasama rin. That's going to be a phenomenal team. Kasi yan po yung kakailanganin natin. We're going into the qualifiers against some very, very big names. At yung chances po na makapunta tayo ng Rio for the Olympic Games, it's not extremely slim, pero it's gonna be a tough task. At syempre, yung mga kalaban din natin dyan are very, very big names. Tulad nga po ng France, Serbia, and Greece, all in the top 10. And then, familiar foes para sa atin, Puerto Rico and Iran. And then, of course, I mean, these are teams na nakalaban na natin, but these are the teams na kailangan na natin talunin.
But like what we've said, and we cannot emphasize it even more, that with the composition now, talagang mataas ang tsansa natin. And if you've watched the game earlier between San Miguel Beermen and Ginebra, makikita mo a telling of what we can see when these giants are together in one team.
Definitely. I mean, nakita nga natin yung laban na pag silang dalawa naglalaban, paano pa kaya kung nagsama sila on one team playing for our country? It's going to be fantastic. And imagine din kung magkasama sila playing for our country in our country. Malay pa natin, pwede pa yan.
Iba pang usapan yun. Alam naman natin that with us being part of the choices, dito nga po, kasama natin ang iba't ibang mga bansa tulad ng Czech Republic, Germany, Italy, Serbia, and Turkey as choices. This is the short list of the possible hosts.
Yes. At saka 6 yan, pipili sila ng 3. So 50-50 yung chances natin. Hopefully, we can book our hosting of the qualifiers here in the Philippines. Ngayon naman, hihinto muna tayo dito sa Sports 360. Ang dami pa po natin kailangan pag-usapan dito sa dami-dami na nangyayari sa buong world ng sports. We'll be back in a bit.
Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan. Mga baba.
Nakatutok pa rin po kayo dito sa Sports 360 on TV5. Alam niyo po dito sa Sports 5, lahat ng klase ng pampalakasan papasukin namin. Kaya naman, only here, exclusive on TV5 is TXR, Tough and Rough, the very first obstacle course challenge in the Philippines. And to know more about this, let's check this out.
We are about to see who is the strongest of them all dito sa panibagong palabas, a sports challenge na ihahandog sa inyo ng TV5. It is going to be a rumbling, stumbling good time here in the press conference at the NBA Cafe of Tough and Rough Philippines. Atin sa inyo dito lang sa Sports 360.
I think Tough and Rough offers the opportunity to get out and do something completely different. We haven't had anything like this in the Philippines.
Now, more than ever, Filipinos are very active in their lifestyle. Now is the perfect time to actually launch a show like this because this is one event series where people of all types of discipline, whether you're a basketball player, you're a marathoner, you're a gym rat, you can participate in this event.
It's not only about sports. The TV5 entertainment part here is really in the reality.
Yes, it is a competition, but at the end of the day, like we said earlier, there's a lot of spirit involved in this show.
We encourage people to help each other because at the end of the day, in society, we have to help each other overcome obstacles.
I think from the Pinoy spirit standpoint, it will be a sport that the Pinoys will embrace around the world.
Mga kapatid, abangan niyo po ang Tough and Rough. Malapit na po yan, 2016.
Come check it out. It's going to be great.
It's going to be an exciting show and you're going to love it.
Do you think you're strong enough? Are you smart enough? Are you tough enough? Kung ganon, subukan nyo na ang inyong lakas sa Tough and Rough Philippines at malay nyo, kayo ang maipadala sa World Championships. Ako si James Velasquez and you are watching Sports 360.
Talaga na mga abangan natin yan dito lang sa TV5, ang Tough and Rough. Mula sa Tough and Rough, we go to another Tough and Rough sport. I am talking about the Ultimate Frisbee. Nung isang araw nga po, November 13 hanggang kanina, ginanap ang International Ultimate Frisbee Competition sa Alabang Country Club featuring 60 countries with over 1,300 players. At nung November 11 naman po, to commence this activity was a special match between the All-Stars of the Philippines and the USA. Panoorin po natin to.
It's actually Team ERIC. ERIC stands for Early Recognition is Critical. They decided to team up together to bring in 14 of the best players from the United States to challenge the best players in the Philippines in an exhibition and fun tournament, all for the help of promotion of Ultimate here in the Philippines. This is all thanks to Boone Technical Clothing, Team ERIC, the PFDA, Philippine Flying Disc Association, Bunker Sheets, and Club Junior.
This was a sport I picked up back when I was playing in the PBL for Toyota Otis. And back then, there was only 4 teams. Now there's about, I'd say, close to 100 teams in the country, and we've worked so hard to try and develop the sport, be more competitive in the sport, and try to get it recognized. And we're proud to say that we have nationals already, and we've had, I think, 3 or 4 nationals already, and we compete all around the country. So all you have to do is bring your cool personality, just hop on the field and play. You know, the tournaments are held all over the country, fun ones, competitive ones. So it's really easy for kids or for anybody to come and join.
There you have it, the Ultimate Frisbee. Abangan po natin more of that this coming 2016. Now from that, we move on to another international competition. I am talking about the International Premier Tennis League. Yan po ay panibagong acquisition ng Sports 5 and we are very happy to have that as part of our coverage. Alam naman po natin na talagang napaka-espesyal nito because we are bringing in special international tennis players all over the world. Diyan nga po makikita natin ang pahayag nila Coach Chot Reyes ng ating pinuno na si Mr. Lorenzana as they sign the contract dahil nga po tayo na po ang magiging official coverage broadcasting team ng IPTF. PBL. And this is very exciting for us. Lahat po ng mga sports fans. Si Nadal po ay darating dito. Siyempre, si Serena Williams to carry our Manila Mavericks to bring down the UAE Royals. And all of that, dito lang po sa TV5. That's why we are encouraging you to just stay tuned here because we have a lot in store for you in the sports world. Diyan po natatapos ang aking segment. Now, I turn it over to my partner over there, Aaron at Aide.
Thank you, partner. Parang ang takad mo to... kaya pala. Sa takad mo eh. Yan. Ayoko yung may lies tayo dito Ayoko ng ganun. Welcome everybody and welcome to Sports 360 to Mr. Rick Rodriguez of Shimano Gran Fondo, right? Did I say that correct, sir?
Tama, sir. Shimano Gran Fondo Monasterio de Tarlac.
Okay, so what is that, sir? To be exact.
Shimano Gran Fondo Monasterio de Tarlac is a challenge ride, a bicycle challenge ride. It will start from in SM City Tarlac and finish in Monasterio de Tarlac.
Okay.
That's why we call it the Shimano Gran Fondo Monasterio de Tarlac. This will happen on November 28th, this month.
So, what makes it different from other races? No, yung mga kasi, yan, usong-uso yung ngayon yan, yung mga cycling. So, what makes this one different from all the rest?
Yeah, as you said, no, cycling na, usong-uso. Cycling really becomes phenomenal, not only here in the Philippines, but worldwide, no? And we here in the Philippines, in partnership with Shimano, they really want to strengthen more, no, and bring more people in bicycling. Now, when we created the Shimano Gran Fondo, the idea is, what is the difference between the Shimano Gran Fondo as compared to the races and to the advocacy rides? That's like what happened today in the Tour of the Fireflies. Tour of the Fireflies is an advocacy ride here in Metro Manila. They're calling for the clean environment, clean air and everything. But for Shimano Gran Fondo Monasterio de Tarlac, we want to attract the family. So it's going to be a family affair. The kids, the mom, the father, maybe the lola and the grandpas can all join together and join this challenge ride. We call it a challenge ride. It's not a pure fun ride because it's time. And we will still give awards to the top finishers in each categories. So the Shimano Gran Fondo is everything. It's a ride, it's a challenge, it can be a race as well within yourself.
There you go. So why don't you invite all of our viewers to check out the Shimano Gran Fondo?
Yeah, for all of you guys who haven't yet and made it in the, this is actually the last day of the registration. They can still make it this November 27 and 28 at SM City Tarlac. We'll see you there. And at exactly 7 a.m. on November 28, Saturday, the ride will start from SM City to Monasterio de Tarlac. Check that out.
There you go. Thank you very much, Sir Rick, for joining us here on Sports C60. Hihinto muna tayo, pero mamaya palapit na po. Makakasama na natin ang ating guest for today. Diyan lang kayo.
Hello mga kapatid, nandito tayo ngayon sa De La Salle, Batangas para sa 2015 Philippine Superliga Grand Prix Spike on Tour. Ngayon alamin na natin ang mga updates sa ating PSL. For the first game nga, Pechon Blaze Spikers versus Photon Tornadoes. At makikita natin bago magsimula ang laro, ang dami na talagang mga tao, dinudumog na siya. Pero dito Pechon hoping to get their first spot, number 1 spot with Philips Gold, and Photon aiming to get their 6th straight win for today. Nagsimula nga ang first set natin. First 2 sets, dikitan yan ang mga scores natin. Pagdating ng third set, tuluyan ang lumayo ang Blaze Spikers. Ang best player of the game nga natin, si Hupia Inc. with 17 attacks, 2 blocks, at ang nanalo nga with 3 straight sets ang ating Petron Blaze Spikers, 27, 25, and 25. Pagdating naman na sa ating second game dito sa De La Salle pa, Meralco Power Spikers versus RC Cola Air Force Raiders. Meralco hoping naman to get their first win, while RC Cola planning to sweep Meralco in the 2015 Grand Prix. Meralco started with a pump-up morale and gets the first set. Then their second set, sinubukang bumawi ng RC Cola on the latter part of the set. Pero hindi nga nagpatinag itong Meralco. Now, entering the third set, sinungkit na nga ng Meralco ang kanilang unang panalo. Best player of the game natin dyan si Kim Fajardo with 30 excellent sets, Mika Reyes with 17 attacks, 1 block, and 1 service ace. Ayan nga po ang ating mga updates dito sa 2015 Philippine Superliga. Ako po si Mitch Del Carmen dito sa Sports 5.
You're still watching Sports 360 here on TV5 at ngayon nga kakapanood lang natin ng mga game highlights sa ating PSL Spike on Tour na talagang intense talaga yung mga games kahapon, Papi. No? Nanalo nga yung Petro Lady Blaze Spikers kontra sa ating Photon Lady Tornadoes at yung Meralco nagtala na rin ang unang panalo nila para sa season. Pero speaking of Petro Lady Blaze Spikers, puntahan naman natin ang isa sa kanilang notable players at panoorin ng feature na ito. Hi, I'm Abigail Marano from Petron Blaze Spikers. Welcome to Chang Abby's Cafe. When I decided to quit my job, kinausap ko yung mga best friends ko in high school. Which is ito, yung mga nakikita niya sa picture. Nakita nila yung magandang ideas, nag-brainstorm kami. Naisipan nila to invest na rin. From National University, ang aming mga customers, madami namin nagka-cater is yung students kasi we're just along U-Belt. Pupunta talaga sila dito to try kasi siguro naku-curious sila saan ba yan Chang Abby's Cafe na yan, di ba? Naka-order na ba kayo? Okay naman. Sobrang fulfilling na makita yung mga fans na dumadaya dito. Kasi ito yung time nila to get along with me eh. So ito yung pinaka-opportunity for them na nakakausap nila ako, nakakakwentuhan nila ako. Usually, madami talagang fans ng volleyball na pumupunta dito. Yung Alay Finity pumunta dito. Si Mika, pumunta dito yung mga group of fans ni Mika, group of fans of Abby Marano, ni Rachel Dakis. Every week naman, may dumadalaw na volleyball stars. They have the opportunity to go here din para makakuha sila ng picture or to get along with their idols. Sa volleyball, alam naman ng mga tao kung gaano ako competitive, gaano ako ka-beast mode and focus. Dito sa business, ganun din. Sometimes, I do cooking also and especially gumagawa din ako ng Milo milkshake na bestseller namin. So, this is how we make a Milo milkshake. Mahirap gawin yan, pero nagawa ko. For finishing touch, lagyan ulit ng chocolate on top. So, gawa na yung milkshake. Ready to serve. Thank you for coming! Sana nagustuhan niyo ang food namin dito sa Chang Abby's Cafe. Balik kayo! Bye!
Yun!
Talagang nakakagutom, no?
Ang ganda ni Abby Marano.
Pamela, try kaya natin yon. Puntahan natin yung
Matikman natin yung kapihan ni
I'm
Abby.
sure dudumugin pa yan sa mga susunod na araw dahil nakita naman natin talagang si Chang Abby pa yung nagpe-prepare ng mga Milo milkshake na yan, no? No, talagang saludo kami sa'yo, Ate Abby. Chang Abby.
Chang Abby.
So, ngayon naman, puntahan natin ang isa pa nating volleyball idol. Of course, tonight we'll be having Kayla Chanko Williams.
Yo, Kayla!
Welcome back to Sports 360.
Hi, Kayla. Welcome back. Yeah, use your microphone. Let's...
I thought we were on a hugging base.
Hey, Kayla! Nice to see you, Kayla!
Jojo! Bumapil ka pa!
Yeah, Kayla! Long time!
Yan. Kayla, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, you can use your microphone.
I'm great. How
so
are
we
you?
can hear. Yeah, we're doing great. We're
Yeah.
happy. We're so happy that you're back.
Happy ka dito.
Yeah.
Happy ka dito. Yeah,
Yes,
this is
we're
the
happy.
Happy Network.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us more about what extent of the Filipino culture you've been exposed to
As a girl.
while you're growing up.
Yeah.
So our friends can know more about you.
Actually, I was engulfed in the Filipino culture pretty much since I was born.
Engulfed in the
Yep.
Philippines.
I was raised by my lolo
You're
and
playing
lola.
golf.
Akala ko
Volleyball.
nag-golf.
Akala ko nag-golf.
Engulfed yun, yun yung
Okay.
Nalunod siya sa
Okay, sorry. My access kept on being area. That's why.
Sorry.
So my Lolo and Lola raised me since I was a little girl. So I mean, I grew up eating the food. I know Konti Tagalog.
Konti Tagalog.
Balot. You like balot?
I have not tried balot yet. I don't know how I feel about the little baby chicken. I don't know.
How about Filipino men? Would you like to have coffee at Chang Abi?
I haven't had any coffee at any restaurants.
All right, you should.
Now's the time with Jojo.
Maybe with Jojo, okay.
Give me some shot. I give it to you.
Shot. Naging inuman.
Like basketball shot?
Give me
Espresso shot.
Give me opportunity to be with you.
Oh.
Kala ko nung shot na yan.
Jojo, but you have a girlfriend every episode.
I'm a user-friendly person. That's why every day is my friend.
He will just use you for his Instagram pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, just for the double tap.
Speaking of Instagram pictures, I've seen so many pictures of you doing almost everything. Beach volley, hanging out with friends. So, can you tell us more about this journey with different people? I've seen you hanging around with some film players like Lindsay Dode and the Ateneo Lady Eagles, some of them.
Yeah, all those girls are a bunch of my friends out here. They're great people. I'm just loving my time out here because I love that I can balance playing, practicing. I have my volleyball life with PSL and with the Photon Tornadoes, but I've also had a chance to enjoy the Philippines and see the beauty of it. I've gone to the beaches. I've been able to, surf and stuff. So it's fun. I'm getting the best of both worlds out here.
And speaking of PSL, you've had a rough start, right? But you managed to come back stronger, and now you're the third seed in the entire tournament. So can you tell us more about you being in the semifinals?
Yeah, I mean, well, I'm very proud of our team for how we've been able to bounce back. I mean, we have a lot of potential on our team, and so the way we started in the first round wasn't true to what we knew we can play, the potential, and so it just took a little bit of time for us to find that team chemistry, but I knew we would find it, and we did, and we had a really great second round, and so now we're just looking forward, keeping our eye on the prize. We still have a long way to go, but I'm really confident that that we can do well this year. So. Yeah, I'm excited for the semifinals next week.
Speaking of doing well, PSL is doing well now, and a lot of new players are coming in. So what are your thoughts on Phil Foreigners being able to play in the PSL?
Well, I love it. I'm being one of them. Being a Phil Canadian, I absolutely love the idea, and I hope that the fans would like it too. Seeing Filipinas from abroad coming here back to the country and playing this game that everyone seems to love out here. The fans are amazing. So I hope that the PSL and the fans continue to want to see us play on the court, more Phil-Am volleyball players, and I would be happy to continue playing out here, so we'll see.
Yeah, just like in the PBA in the early days, the Phil Foreigners are new, and then the PSL is discovering Phil Foreigners and then exposing them to our audiences, and it's been great.
Yeah, definitely.
What can you say about Alexa Maisag? She was actually the first to be not considered as an import, but she played here as a Phil-Am.
Yeah, Lex is one of my great friends, and so I love her. She's awesome.
We love her too.
Yeah, that's my homie. Exactly. And so her and Iris Tolenada, they were the ones who were in the first batch to come out here from the U.S. And so now with myself and Lindsay Dowd playing in the current Grand Prix season.
Lindsay! That's actually
Aaron's crush.
Wow, Aaron.
Yeah, so I think it's great. I really hope that maybe perhaps more Phil-Ams will continue to come out here if the opportunity presents itself. So yeah, I think we do a great job of hopefully adding to the teams that we're on. So I think we're all happy to be here.
Yeah, of course, we're also very happy to see you guys.
Jojo, how come you haven't been to any of our games? I haven't seen you in the crowd.
I'm so busy. That's why right now I'm still more show to do. That's why I never had to see you.
Oh,
I think Jojo will be watching.
But you're always in my heart, Kala.
Thank you,
I think Jojo will be watching if you start playing beach volley again, because Jojo's always present when there are sexy bodies around.
Yeah,
is that right?
I like your body. Your body's like Wonderland.
Jojo, easy.
Jojo.
Are you ready? Are you ready for the next question? This was
this is a very controversial question and very personal too.
This was
Okay.
the one we asked you to be ready about.
Sure, let's hear it.
Okay. What do you
It
think
has-
about Jojo, the Love Survivor, as being your next boyfriend?
Yeah. I'm your future.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, that we're very straight here.
Well, Jojo, you know, I kind of already have something back home, and so
Yeah.
Back home?
Back home or somewhere in
Where is home?
Katipunan by
Where is
sea.
home?
No, but you know what? I think Jojo's heart belongs to someone else already. So you know what?
My heart is vacant right now.
Right now,
Yeah.
Jojo, take a hint.
So,
Na friend zone ka na. Okay
yeah,
na yan.
yeah, it's okay for
So
me.
you're interested with someone new? New? New some?
Yeah.
Chris Newsom?
Chris Newsom.
no.
Really?
See, I like
There've been rumors about you guys.
No, Chris and Melissa Newsom are definitely my good friends, and so yeah, they come support me at my games, and I support them at their basketball games.
Really?
So, yeah,
You
both of
supporting
them.
each other?
Yeah, Melissa's like my little sister. She's great. They're both great. So
Oh.
the Newsoms have been great, and like we're friends. So yeah,
So,
Phil Lambs have to support each other.
You're just
Yeah.
friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Jojo, support them.
I support you. You support me
Thank you,
also.
Jojo. Thanks.
Yeah.
Next time you bring Jojo with you on Chris's game, so there won't be any more rumors, and
Yeah.
you guys
He's-
will.
He's
and
a
then
Phil
he's
Am too.
my,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
he's my
He's a
date.
Phil Ampogi.
Bilang pogi. Yeah.
Oh, wala friends lang sila.
Yeah, we're
so
just-
nagkaroon tayo ng pag-asa kay
Yeah,
Kayla.
Kayla.
Ayan, ano?
Now let's see this social media about
About Phil
about
Foreigner.
Phil foreigners. I can't
Ayan.
actually.
After
After-
Tolinada, Maisek, Kayla Williams, and Lindsay Dowd, mas gusto nyo ba na dumami ang Phil Foreigner players sa PSL?
Ayan.
Ang sumagot ng yes, 81%. Ang no naman, 19%.
So see, the Filipinos are really welcoming about Philam players playing for PSL, no?
Exactly. Well, good. I'm glad. I like it. I mean,
Yeah.
I love it here. I've enjoyed playing here. I love the PSL and just having this opportunity to play at a professional level, especially in my home country. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, I'm excited
Yeah.
and I
And your
hope we can-
fans are really supporting you.
They're
all the way,
awesome.
yeah.
They're great. Thank you, fans.
Yeah.
Of course.
You are awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
Because this is your home country, maybe someday you can play for the national team.
Yeah.
If the opportunity were to present itself, I would love to.
And that's
Puso.
actually possible, right?
Maybe, who
Yan.
knows? We'll see. But I mean, I would love it if that can happen. But in the meantime, I'm enjoying my time in the PSL and just my time out here.
We're
Yeah.
enjoying our
Yeah.
time with you too.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
At mag-enjoy pa tayo sa pagbabalik nitong Sports 360.
Hanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tinga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan. Mga babae mong nagagandahan.
Kita mo? Walang Apple Box. Kita mo, Erica? Walang Apple Box. Nagbabalik po yung Sports 360 at kanina umaga po ang 16th tour of the Race of the Fireflies. At syempre, this was known as the Big Ride and it is organized by the Firefly Brigade. Tignan nga po natin ang mga kaganapan ng kanina umaga.
Fireworks, spectacular.
Sobrang saya. We're expecting a lot of participants. I think nakakabit namin yung number of participants.
This is a big comeback for the Firefly Brigade and for the tour of the Fireflies. I can safely say this is probably one of the best tours that I've attended.
Meron kaming buwanan na critical mass ride. Ibig sabihin, pinaparami pa rin namin yung dami ng mga siklista buwan-buwan. Umiikot dyan sa iba't ibang lungsod sa Metro Manila para maengganyo yung mga taong hindi nakasama ngayon na sumali pa rin.
We got to see little girls with their mum riding 5 years old, little boys. It was fantastic.
chance magsagot sa puso.
A great group of people supporting a great cause. Congratulations po sa Firefly Brigade and of course, yet another tour para sa kanila. Now let's head back to Ramon, to Jojo, to Mela, and of course, to Kayla.
Yun! Thanks, Papa Aaron! Ayan. Sama pa rin natin si Miss Kayla Chanko Williams. Ayan, from the photo on
Tornadoes.
Yeah.
At na-discover nga natin na nung high school daw ay naglalaro siya ng basketball. Kaya ngayon, papatunayan niya yan.
Yeah,
diba?
prove to
Yeah,
us.
we're gonna put her skills.
Yeah.
Pero
Yeah.
bago
So the
yan,
test?
can you
The
tell
test.
us more about
I mean, when I was growing up as a kid, I played just about every sport. It wasn't until, and then I, got a little more serious with volleyball. I mean, that was my number one love, but I played basketball, softball.
competitive basketball before?
I mean, in high school, yeah. So, and then, obviously you get a little more serious with your sport, and then you play it in college. But yeah, in high school, I played just about everything. So, yeah, I just love sports in general.
I think you can...
What's your position in basketball?
Well, because I had my growth spurt so early, of course they're gonna put me in the center. So yeah,
Ah, you're a center.
I was a center. Yeah.
You're a center by heart too. Yeah.
Good one, Joe.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Now
I
she
think
can
Kayla can show us
show your
more than
moves.
she can tell us.
Move
So,
like a jogger.
demonstrate.
Can you
I mean,
teach us or...
I can't make any promises.
Yeah.
Just
Because you're wearing heels.
Naka-heels pa yan, ha?
Oh, but heels, it's
Shoot
okay.
that.
There.
Ayan, naka-heels pa yan,
Wow.
ha? Ayan.
Jojo, let me see what you got.
I got my face. Yeah.
I got
He has
mine.
nothing but his face.
Yeah.
Alright, Kayla.
Kayla, show us.
Tumira
How
ka
about
ng
a
tumira. Yan.
Can you show us a layup?
In Filipino, if you want it back, you say bek, bek.
Bek, bek.
Yeah, bek,
Okay.
bek. You want it back. Yan, bek, bek.
A
Yan.
layup in heels.
Ano yung sinasabi ni Jojo kanina yung behind
the back. Behind the back.
Behind the back.
Behind the
behind the back move. Ganun.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ayan, okay. Do a behind the back.
Behind the back.
Behind the back move.
Yan.
Oh.
Okay, one more. Behind the back. Isa pa, back, back.
Back.
All right.
Oh.
Alright,
Okay.
now
Dapat may-
we're gonna teach you how to play 21. It's a Filipino national sport.
Okay, let's see it.
Yeah. First to get to 21 wins.
Yeah.
So the shot from the free throw line
Yeah.
is 2 points.
Okay.
And then you should follow up with a layup.
Okay.
That's 1 point. Okay, one dribble only.
So shoot from here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then grab the rebound.
Oh.
Good.
Yeah, go get it.
I get it.
But for you, it's okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Okay.
rebound it for you.
Yeah.
And then,
Then-
Yeah, that's 3 points.
3 points.
that's
And then-
3 points.
Yeah,
Again.
and because you didn't miss,
I do it again.
yeah, you do it
Okay.
again.
Do it again, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. And then
Go
layup.
layup.
Okay.
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 So that's how many? That's 4
4.
points.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
my
should
turn.
dip it that.
Okay.
Okay,
It's called a
layup.
ringless. Ayan. See?
Ayan.
Okay, let's say I miss. Okay, first to 5. There you go, and you
Yeah.
win. See? That's
You're
easy.
good.
All right. Let's give
Not
it up.
bad, not bad, not bad.
Bad.
Kayla Williams, PBA should draft you now.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You
First
showed a
girl
good
to PBA.
player.
Thanks. Thanks,
Yeah.
Joe.
All right. More when we return. This is a sports.
Nagbabalik po ang masayang barkadahan namin dito sa Sports 360. But before we move on, we would like to extend our sincerest congratulations to Kobe Paras as he is warmly welcome in Westwood. He is now playing for the UCLA Bruins.
Yes.
And kami po dito sa Pilipinas, we are very proud of you. Kobe, continue fulfilling your dreams and making our country proud.
Yes.
Yan. Nice one.
Talking about being proud, syempre, ang Sports 5, we're very, very proud members and each and every one of us will always, always be on top of our game for our brand. And of course, we are now 1 million strong on Facebook! The top seed in local sports, #1 na po tayo with 1 million likes.
And counting.
And counting. Kanina po namin nabilang yan. Isa-isa. Binilang namin lahat.
At
1
ngayon
million.
naman, basahin natin ang mga suporta at comments ng ating mga fans. Ayan nga kay Charlene Batulan. Sabi niya, grabe, iba talaga kayo, sports fans! Diba?
Sports 5 to eh.
At ito, ayon naman kay Rick Spedida, sabi niya ay tataas pa yan basta andyan lagi ang sports, lalo na ang basketball. Magiging 3 million pa yan! 10 million! Looking forward na mag 3 million pa yan. At ito, sabi nga ni Mazuzuki Mark Louie, happy 1 million likes!
Yeah! Alright, and from there we move on into our greetings. Kayla, would you like to greet?
My Lolo. Hi, Lolo.
Hi, Lolo.
In Toronto. Say hi, Lolo Ben.
Hi, Lolo Ben. Ramon Bautista.
Note kayo lagi ng kontrabando. Ayan.
Yan. Jojo.
Yan, sa mga homie ko sa Makati. What's up?
Mga homies mo. Mera Tunay.
Hi to my family and to my friends sa room 605 na sina Justin. Pangalan nun, Justin, Joy, and happy birthday kay Tin Lim, and hi kay Ella.
Yan. Sarah Capadilla.
Siyempre, I would like to greet the Alaska family.
Alaska!
Happy 30th anniversary.
Teka, tatanong muna ako.
Oo.
Sa Alaska, sino ba dyan, sa 30 years niyan, sino paborito mong player dyan?
Sa na-recognize nilang 30 best players.
Dina.
Yeah.
Dina! Oh, kinikilig ka masyado! Bye!
Congratulations kasi the best shooting guard of the franchise
is
Jeffrey Coriazo.
Jeffrey Coriazo.
Di ba talaga?
Yeah. So, sige, tusin mo na.
And thank you so much, Nazal MD, Life Yoga, and of course, Gold's Gym.
Thank you very much to the wonderful people of 360 Fitness. Let's see, Backyard Manila. Thank you to everyone that Regain PH published. Thank you. Happy birthday to Brian! Brian, happy birthday! Ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up another episode of your Sports 360. We'll see you again next week. Peace!
Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mo kay sarap sa teka. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan, mga babae mong nagkagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never